Welcome people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you and certain things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first, my people. I want you to listen to me carefully now, Zane. Alright, so I saw a video on social media that shows a motor vehicle being taken away by a wrecker. Yeah, I saw a video that shows a type of motor vehicle that some people call a wrecker, taking away a motor vehicle. And based on what I saw in that video, I got the understanding that there was a driver inside of the motor vehicle doing whatsoever that driver could to try and prevent the wrecker from taking away the motor vehicle. Alright, so I'm going to present that piece of video to you first. And then I have another video that I'm going to present to you that's going to show the same motor vehicle and the wrecker as well. See me? So look at this video first, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think.
My burn out in tire. No, sir. Man, a video. Video as a girl. See, man, video. Yo, give him a chance, sir, man. Give him a chance, sir, man. Yeah.
Alright, so you see that video, my people. Now, I'm going to present the next video to you that's going to show the same motor vehicle and the wrecker as well to viewers and subscribers. Now, I want you to please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm anything that anyone said in this video to be accurate or even true. However, I want you to look and listen to the video carefully and tell me what you think about the video itself or about the situation that I can see and hear in the video. And after I present the video to you, I'm going to point out at least one thing about the whole situation. Alright, so look, listen and observe for yourself, my people.
No, the one there. The girl at the front. She at the front? Yeah. Yeah, she police are all with them. Or paper something. I see the one now in mask up. Then I see the face, you know. A criminal work, so you know. All thief. They work, so. Yeah? Police block you now. Police gonna block you down and to take you down and you know want to take you down. Them are all criminal. See them there? The one I want to come off, you know.
Yeah, listen.
The one I want to come off, but the rest of them don't want to come off. Oh. See them walk down? See them? They walk down down so. See them there? And they have a 2-month-old baby night.
Oh my God!
2 months here will baby night to the baby mother and the father step out to drive it. We gotta do something. This is one to vote for people. People, this is one to vote for. See them there? Hijack and thief in the car. See the baby there? Then just take out the baby out. Where's the police operate? See the 2-month-old baby, that's away. The Prime Minister and the Mayor and all of them are vote for. See there? A police guy have to stop me. For them not keep the vehicle with the 2-month-old baby and the mother.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, first things first, I want to make it very clear that I'm only going by some words and certain things that I see in the video. I am not able to confirm if anything that anyone said in this video are accurate or even true. Alright, but I think I can point out certain things about the video or the situation that I can see and hear in the video. Alright, so listen to this part of the video. Listen.
Police gonna block you down and to take you down and you know want to take you down.
Alright, just in case if you never hear, listen again. Listen.
Police gonna block you down and to take you down and you know want to take you down.
Okay. So me hear the word police. So me ask my people. Alright, now if you look at the video carefully, you can see a motor vehicle that looks like this. Look at the screenshot right here. You see me I talk about? Alright, my people, so them things they may point out. I like to point out things in our videos and so forth. You understand me? And viewers and subscribers, me hear the word baby had been mentioned in the video. Me hear the word thief had been mentioned in the video as well. So the people, even though I'm not able to confirm if anything that anyone said in the video are accurate or even true, I would like you to tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. If you're new to my channel and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, do so as well and click the notification bell so that you too can be notified whenever I post a video. Now I'm going to present another video to you, and I think that some people on social media find this video to be somewhat amusing. See, so the video shows a motor vehicle that has beryllium marked on it, viewers and subscribers. See, the video also shows a certain amount of persons. See, you can hear someone talking in the background of the video, and I got the understanding from the video that whosoever was operating the motor vehicle got in some form of difficulty with the motor vehicle while the person was operating the motor vehicle. So at some point the person was able to get out of the difficult spot with the motor vehicle. I want you to look at the video and listen to the video and tell me if you think this video is funny or not. You can tell me what I think overall about the video itself or the situation. Observe.
One's crash, run over something over this, so. Today. One run over something, people. In Napin. Yeah, run over a column. Boy, I don't know what I'm scared of, but I don't go over there. Swear to God.
Alright.
Yo, put in a drive now and go forward. Put in a drive and go forward now.
I feel try help them.
Go forward, my general. Go forward, yeah. Alright, tap this and put in the next lock and reverse now. Put in the next lock and reverse.
I feel try help them.
Put in the next lock, you hold on next lock and reverse. Yeah, hold light and reverse. Reverse. Same way and come back, same way.
Go straight.
Alright, go forward now.
Go straight.
Alright, so you go feel them out sometime, you know? Rapid tour. Them good now still, see that, man? One alright and everything. Yeah.
Alright, my people. Big up to the person where you can hear saying certain words in the video. I mean, me hear more than one person talking in the video, but I talk about one main person. So, my people, tell me if you think the video funny or not. Tell me if you think that person really help or not. You see me I say, is that person a good Samaritan or what? You see me I say, but big up that person the same way. Yeah, because I'm not real low, you know. Ever seen certain things happen within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, pertaining to gunmen attacking security guards for the beryllium company or beryllium security, as some persons might say. You can see quite a number of videos on social media claiming that a certain type of reactions happen whenever a beryllium company or security company, motor vehicles or security guards arrive at certain locations in Jamaica and so forth. You understand me? And it's really and truly something that is being talked about on social media. Alright, so let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Let me know what you think about the situation there. Funny or not? Now, I got information from within the Bahamas that the bodies of 2 females was found inside of a building that is located within the Bahamas. And I got unconfirmed information as to who those 2 persons are. Now, one of those persons is said to be a teenager, viewers and subscribers. Now, based on information that I got, and it is said that police said some of these things about the situation. That police made the discovery after a concerned citizen contacted police after smelling a foul odor coming from an apartment. So it is said that police responded, and on arrival to the residence, they had to breach the door to get inside as the door was locked. So it is said that upon entering the apartment, they discovered the bodies of 2 females. It is said that their bodies are decomposing and allegedly what appears to be lacerations to the upper body. That's how I got the information, so that's how I tell you the information that I got, you see me? might not be exactly word for word. So according to more information that I got, see, it is said that police say that police are unsure what occurred. However, police say that police have a person of interest in custody. So it is said that police suspect that the victims have been dead for just over 24 hours. So it is said that a superintendent of police talk about the situation, viewers and subscribers, you understand me? And it is said that the superintendent basically gives some information about the situation in a certain way. That's the understanding that I got. My people, it's really and truly sad to hear some things will happen right throughout the world. Is it me I say? You know, someone actually brought this information to my attention, you know. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers within the Bahamas. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.